Hi, welcome to this video. In our series of mini videos, I think we have over 400 now, so feel free to check those out on different body parts. We have basically every body part represented. There's different self-treatments you can do for about anything you ever wanted, different exercises, different things to help you with pain and improve your function. So those are the things you can do, and we have a lot of things we always promote of what we do and the benefits. But what I want to do today is flip it and do some opposite stuff of what we don't do and what you may want, but if it's not what we do, you want to go somewhere else. So what we see work really well is we want, like a lot of people want, a highly motivated person that will show up, and actually it's a two-way street. It's like a teamwork. So we're, coach, you're the player. You also have your own coaching ability, but we want to, where you coach yourself, but we want someone that is coachable, that is up for being treated as a whole body person. So if you come in with back pain or shoulder pain, you don't know this yet, maybe you do, but when your shoulder hurts, you think, oh, treat the shoulder. We don't just treat the shoulder, we treat the whole body. Other places just treat the shoulder. They'll do ultrasound, heat, cold. They'll have you on some stupid bike doing that for 20 minutes while they leave you alone. If that's what you want, go to those places. We do not do that here. I purposely don't have a bike in my clinic. I have access to it because our clinic is located in an athletic club, Pueblo Athletic Club, and we can use that, but maybe 1% of the time or less we actually do that because there's so many other good things that will help you. We can educate you, we can spend time with you versus just leaving you on your own to do your own exercises, which anybody can do that. I'm still surprised how many people, and we hear this story over and over again, when they go to a hospital-based clinic or a doctor-owned clinic that owns the physical therapy, and the only reason they're being sent there is that doctor gets money for sending them there, or the hospital gets money for sending them to their own clinic. And what we hear is it's like a factory, is like the term that's actually used by patient's mouth. It comes out of their mouth. I was in a factory, there was like 4 or 5 other people in the half hour to hour they were there. They might have got a couple minutes of one-on-one time with that therapist or whoever they were seeing, but it was very rushed, and it was like, okay, do this sheet, I'll be back. Or sit on this cold pack, or sit on the heat pack. We don't do that here. You can do your own cold and heat pack. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. What we do is spend time with you and actually get to the root of your problem, whether it's shoulder, back, knee, ankle, whatever it happens to be. That's what's going to get you better short and long term. So basically we're saying, if that's what you want, come here. If you want the other stuff where you're treated like a factory, like you're in a factory and you're with a bunch of other people and you don't know what you're doing, and you just get hot and cold and you go and you pay your copay and it's just a big waste of money, then we want you to go there and don't come here. So I always want to make that crystal clear, because some people, they want that. They just want to sit on a hot pack and do some meaningless exercises. They should go somewhere that will provide them for that. We just want to be very crystal clear with what we do and what we don't do. We also have to collect legally copays, coinsurances, and deductibles from people. So you expect, nowadays people have high deductible plans and high copays, high coinsurances. We expect to be paid on the date of service. We've given away a lot of free treatment over the years, and that can hurt business. So we expect people to pay on time. Most reasonable people that know we're helping them and we spend one-on-one time with you to get the results that you want, to get out of pain, to get back to bending and lifting and doing all the fun stuff you want to do, we expect a fair exchange for that. So we expect to be paid, but in return, you're going to get 10 times what you pay for that copay. Even if your copay and deductible is, we see $50, $70, even over $100 per visit, but some people, well, quite a few, are happy to pay that because it's giving them priceless amount of function and pain-free movement back. You just can't put a price on that. So some people will, I don't want to pay that $20 copay. If that's how you are, you definitely would want to go somewhere that will treat you that way and give you a hot pack, cold pack, and let you do it on your own. So those are basically, I want to make that really clear, because we're seeing some people that just aren't appropriate for our type of program, solutions to their problems. they need to go to those places, and they're set up that way to see a high volume and just do the meaningless things that they do. We want to be meaningful and get you out of pain, improve your function, help you get better, and those are the things that help. So the recap is we want highly motivated people that are team players that know how to, that we're teaching them so we don't see them forever. They get to the root of their problem, we help them with that and educate them and give them very good stuff. They come on time, they actually show up, and they pay each time. Those are what we're looking for. If that does not fit you, please don't come here. There are definitely other places that will take you on and gladly take your money for doing nothing. So if you have any questions or comments, I'd love to hear them, because I know this can sometimes be a little controversial topic, but we just want to get the facts straight and be very honest with people so they know exactly where to go. And if it's here, great, we'll help you out, and 10 times better than any other place. But if it's not, it's great. There's other places that will treat you the way you want to be treated.